These are the steps. First, slice 5 red onions, smash 2 cloves of garlic, chop the green onions, and slice the tomato. After that, chop the carrots and cut the broccoli as well as the broccoli stalks. Next, soak the snow fungus in the water and wait until it swells. Then, slice the sausage. After all the ingredients is ready, pour 500 milliliters of water into the saucepan. Then add sliced red onions and smashed garlic. Then add sausage, carrot, and broccoli stalks into the water. Next, add the broccoli and snow fungus. After 3 minutes, add tomatoes and green onions in it. The last step is add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoons of pepper. Lastly, your simple vegetable soup is ready to be served.